Look at this. Oh my goodness. That's insane. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, we have my truck here and we have stock wheels on this thing. So we did a big old nasty burnout, one wheel peel, I should say, clarify, because this is an open differential. This thing, yeah, it needs a posi. We're getting a posi for this thing before too long, but we did a big nasty one wheel peel. Well, actually we got the other side a little bit, but not near as good as this side. Last evening, it is actually the morning after, but yeah, let me show you guys here what. So here you go, you can see we got it down all the way to the cords. Yes, we got cords showing all the way around, as you can see. Other side obviously isn't near that good. This is actually about the tread depth. I don't know, I'd say there's probably 25 to 30% left there. They're really chopped really badly. Obviously someone had some bad suspension. These were just some old junk tires we had laying around that I threw on. But yeah, this is a good one right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run all the footage right now. First burnout I did is I left off way too quick. I had it like over 100 miles an hour and I just left off, and it didn't have enough time for the converter to unlock, so it just completely stalled the engine. So that's what happened in the first video that you see. But I did two small ones at first, and then I did the big nasty one that you've probably seen on my Instagram if you follow me. So yeah, I'll show you guys that right now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I had a lot of fun doing it. We had to clean up all this rubber off the truck and whatnot, but that was a blast. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new around here. I know this video is a little bit shorter. I didn't spend a whole lot of time filming, but I figured I should probably do something anyhow for you guys in for this burnout. So hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next video.